it comes up here and pierces through this area called the fontanelle bone area, and you start feeling a cool breeze coming out of your head. And that is the time we should say teaser, because that's the time when you really feel the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost coming out of your head. And place your hands towards the television. You can feel the cool breeze quite easily because you are just there. Only thing you have to make a little breakthrough, and the time of resurrection has come. This is the time of your judgment, and it has to work out. The blossom time, as I call it. And it has to work out. Now put your hands towards you and see that you feel the cool breeze in your hand. Do you feel the cool breeze? And do you feel the cool breeze on top of your head? You can feel it with your right hand, or you can feel it with your left hand, and this is the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost coming out of you, and now you can feel it all around you. In a subtle way, it is everywhere working, but now you can feel it firsthand, you can feel it. Your fortune and God's love that has worked out this wondrous miracle. Without this happening, you could not have it. A possibility to give mass realization to people. One could have done it for 1 or 2 persons here and there, but to give such a mass awakening could not have been possible. As you know, in the Sahasrara, there are the seats of the 7 main chakras. Sahasrara is the most beautiful part of your being.